In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable temporary tabs for items outside of Salesforce. This process is simple and effective, ensuring that your Salesforce experience is just a little bit more organized and streamlined. We'll take this step by step so you get it right the first time, and you'll appreciate how this small tweak can make a big difference in your daily workflow. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see the familiar gear icon. This icon is your gateway to the setup options, so go ahead and click it. You'll want to select Setup from the menu that appears, which will guide you to an area called Advanced Setup. With Advanced Setup open, we need to locate the App Manager. Salesforce's Quick Find feature is incredibly useful for this. In the Quick Find box, type in App Manager, and you'll quickly be directed to the right place without scrolling or searching around manually. Once you're in the App Manager, you'll find a list of your console apps. Here, you'll need to locate your specific Lightning Console app. This should be the app where you're experiencing the issue with temporary tabs. Next to the app's name, you'll find a drop-down arrow. Click this drop-down and select the Edit option. This is where we begin to dive into the settings that will allow us to disable those pesky temporary tabs. Focus your attention on the App Options section. This area might encompass various settings, but our goal is quite specific. You'll be looking for an option that reads, Disable temporary tabs for items outside of this app. It's essential to check this box. By doing this, you're instructing Salesforce not to open external records or items as temporary tabs, thereby keeping your workspace cleaner and more focused on what matters. Once you've set this option, don't forget to save your settings. Saving might sound like a no-brainer, but it's crucial to preserve all the adjustments you just made. After saving, you'll need to relaunch your console app for the changes to take effect. Close and reopen it, and you should notice that Salesforce will no longer open external records or items as those temporary extra tabs that clutter your view. This change is a small but powerful adjustment that helps you maintain a much tidier and organized Salesforce interface. No more sidetracking with extra tabs cluttering your view, just a focused, more efficient experience tailored to your own needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this helps you enhance your daily operations.